I love pressure washing, and it's this product right here, which just spilled water all over my table. So the one thing I love about this is my pressure washer. I've got several different ones. The shortest wand on it is about 3 feet. So I can't get any closer myself physically than something that's 3 feet away. If you're cleaning something up close like a carpet or the bed of a pickup truck, this thing gives you a lot more room to get under things, to underside of stuff. If you're cleaning wheel wells, very easy with the tires still installed to get in there and clean wheel arches. So I was cautiously optimistic about this thing. Now it does come with some accessories. It does actually come with a full set of colored nozzles. So if you've been losing those like I have, the nozzles are actually out on the pressure washer right now. It comes with a quick adapter for the quick disconnect and a regular threaded adapter, including 2 sets of Teflon tape. We're gonna bring this up. This is my demo, and like I said, this is the smallest wand I have. I have an electric pressure washer and a gas. The electric is my go-to for most things. The gas is only if I really need it. This was putting it on there with that quick disconnect. It fit compatibly with my quick disconnect I already had. I'm going to use a soap nozzle here real fast, turn the pressure washer on, and what's nice about this is you can get right up next to it. You see how close I am to the truck? Sometimes when you're parked next to another car, you don't have room to do a 3-foot wand. Now in this case, I'm cleaning out a garbage can. How many people have done this, cleaned out a garbage can with a pressure washer? Well, if you're using a 3-foot wand, you can't hold the pressure washer and the garbage can at the same time. Just serendipitous, I happen to have this. Look at me cleaning this tailgate effortlessly. Well, it's hard to say. I'm cleaning it effortlessly, but if we go here, trying to clean a pressure washer or a tailgate with a pressure washer wand, you've got to hold it up. You can only still use one hand. It's really awkward. I really like that. I'm going to take you in the back of my truck because we had all sorts of dirt and debris in here, and I'm going to show you what this thing is like in closed spaces. So I'm cleaning my canopy off. I've got the Northwest Mold Edition. It's got you know, a bunch of moss growing inside my canopy because we are wet up here all the time year round. And so I'm cleaning all of that off. I'm using that wand right up close. Very controllable, very easy to use. I was surprised how much this was from a convenience perspective. So this is a short pressure washer replacement handle. And this is going to, again, be good with your electric, your gas, your homeowner grade. I believe it goes up to 5,000 PSI and 10 gallons per minute, but we'll take a look real quick here when we're done with this video. But I was cleaning out the whole back of my truck. I also did the floor mats, as you saw, so this actually made it really easy, and clean the wheels. Makes it really easy to get in, right up in there on the sides and get up and under things. So that was really slick. It's good for up to 5,000 PSI, 10.5 gallons per minute, which is a lot. That's commercial grade really at that point. And it will work with other attachments, but this one's really designed for you to be able to get right up close onto something. But this actually swivels on this part, so my other one is fixed, so it has to swivel down here on the hose side. This is a lot better for your hoses to have the swivel right there. So this is Angising, whatever it is, it's cool.